This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Paradise found. Breathtaking river views from nearly every room. Open floor plan makes entertaining easy. Gorgeous gourmet kitchen features exotic granite, an acre of counter space, breakfast nook, plantation shutters, and plenty of storage. Custom blinds filter afternoon sun or open to embrace the gorgeous sunsets over the Indian River, or bask in the views on the generous patio deck or in the screened lanai. Master suite with private screened balcony. 4 guest bedrooms or use one to create your dream master closet and/or spa bathroom. Plenty of closet space throughout. New first floor bedroom, sitting area and bathroom could be another master suite. Indoor laundry room. Dock is ready to be resurrected to its former glory. Hurricane shutters too. For more information